What's up, guys? Hi YouTube, hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the best AI side hustle that you can actually use to make money in 2024. Right now we have barely some weeks into 2024, and this is the right time for you to choose the best AI side hustle for you to be able to make money. And there are lots of opportunities that you can actually use to make money in this particular AI side hustle. In this creators economy, this AI is going very up, is skyrocketing, because people are using this to attract their clients, to attract their customers, create good content, quality high content, so that they can be able to make money with that. Whether you're a teacher, whether you're a content creator, whether you're a marketer, whether you are a business owner, there is always a special opportunity, a special space for you, so that you can actually tap into this AI to make money for yourself. And if you are at home and you're looking for something that you can actually do, you can also try this AI side hustle. Pick one, master one, understand, and promote it. And before you know, you start getting clients. And if you are into a job or a business and you want to also add this as a side hustle, you can also start this by doing this, creating this AI side hustle, starting this AI side hustle, so that you can earn extra income or increase your income. And as time goes on, you can now start it full time. So these things are what people are actually doing, and it is actually working for people right now. The economy of the creators economy, the creators economy is going up and up and up with all this AI side hustle right now. Artificial intelligence is making money for people, so do not dull yourself, guys. Right now, let's dive into this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please kindly find time right now, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button, so that anytime I post my videos, you will be the first to get it. Guys, right now, let's dive into this video. Number one AI side hustle that you can actually start right now that is making money for people is to generate AI ads. Creating and selling generated AI images content is one of the best side hustles that people are doing right now, because a lot of companies, brands, individuals are looking good images that they can actually use to promote their business, and people are using these catchy, high quality content images to be able to grab them. You understand? And if the ones they know that you can actually do this, people will recommend you. You will get value. People are getting value for their money, and you are doing what they actually need. Definitely, you will make money doing this AI side hustle, generate AI ads. And you can also bring AI tools like Midjourney, Canva, and DALL-E for you to be able to create these generated images. The high quality images also help businesses to stand out. And once they know that you can actually do this, guys, you will have potential customers that can be making you money every day. Number two is AI programming. AI programming is on hot demand, and this is what is actually making people money right now, especially for startups. And you can benefit from this by taking on projects that utilizes AI tools to develop businesses and services. If you have the right coding skills and set of knowledge about these AI tools, you can create amazing things with this AI programming. You understand? And people can also, patronize you so that you can actually make money for them. You create products and services for businesses so that they can actually, make money. People use different ways of making money, and you can use AI tools to be able to generate these products and services for them. And the next one is to start a Faceless YouTube channel. Right now, Faceless YouTube channel is actually making money for people. People are tapping into this Faceless YouTube channel to make money for themselves. You don't actually need to show your face to start a YouTube channel. Even Facebook page, people are generating different content using AI tools to be able to make money on the internet. And you don't actually need to see your face, use your face. You can create animated videos, you can create tutorials, you can even use voiceovers, so that you can actually create content in your Faceless YouTube channel. And if you know that you can actually do this, is open for everyone. The opportunities are very, very high for you to be able to make money doing and creating your faceless YouTube channel. Right now, people use voiceovers, people narrate videos. They don't actually need to show their face, you understand, to be able to make money on the faceless YouTube channel. You can even use AI avatar to, make your face to be very, very fine if you want to do faceless YouTube channel, voiceover and narration. And the next one is to offer AI consultancy services. If you have a technical expertise on AI tools, you understand, or a solid understanding on how you can be able to solve some particular specific problems using AI tools, people are looking for you. And this can also help you to make money. You can also use some content to be able to attract your customers. You can create content on Facebook. You can create content on YouTube on a specific problem so that people can be able to, give you work, give you business for you to be able to serve them very, very well. They can recommend you, give you value for your money, want to solve your problems, answer their questions using AI tools. People will be able to, patronize you, and you'll be able to make money from that. And the next one is to, create online courses using AI. If you are passionate about teaching or you have a particular knowledge of something, you can actually use AI tools to be able to make money for yourself. People are creating online courses. They use AI tools to process their writings. They have writing tools like Jasper. They have also AI copy AI to be able to make money for themselves. You can use all these things to create online courses and be able to make money. There are different AI tools, automation, technology that can be able to help you to make money. The next one is to start a blogging business using AI. Start AI blogging business. Right now, bloggers are still making money. One thing about business is that once you are consistent in your business, definitely you're going to go far. You're going to make money in your business. But once you start your business and after some time, maybe you're saying there's nothing happening here, how can you make money when you're not giving it time, when you're not, giving your business a space so that people can actually see you? Once people start seeing what you're doing, once people can, know that you can actually do this thing, they'll start recommending people to you. They'll start giving you jobs. So people can actually start blogging business using AI tools. And once companies, you can write blog posts for companies with AI tools, you understand, and make money for yourself. Companies can pay you. And once they know that you can write this with their team, with their office team and brands, you understand, you can be able to integrate your writing tools in writing blog posts. These AI tools help your blog to stand out. Even the headlines, the AI tools can help you capture audience, help you capture targeted audience that can actually read that your blog. At the same time, your advertisements, your sponsored ad, and your affiliate marketing, you will be able to cater for all of them and be able to make it a very profitable and lucrative businesses. This is what people are doing today to make money. You understand? They use a chat GPT to be able to do their business and make money for that. The next one is to run ads. If you are interested in advertising and marketing and promotion, you can also offer AI by using AI to run ads for companies, for brands, and for businesses on social media. You understand? People are using AI tools to be able to run ads, ad campaigns, effective ad campaigns that can bring results to their customers, and people are interested in giving it to people that know how to run these ads. If you know how to target your audience on the social media ad campaign, you understand, people are waiting for you to be able to do all of this. And you need to master your game. You need to master your niche. It's not as if maybe you start today, you're still complaining. No. People need to know that you can actually do this. And at the end of the day, they need to see the results of what you have done with these AI tools. There are different images, different content. People create content using these AI tools, you understand, to be able to make money for themselves. And the next one is video editing. Right now, video editing have, gone very, very far. People are using video editing to make money. They use AI tools to do their video editing, like trimming footages, their color grading, and also adding subtitles, you understand, to their videos. They use AI. These things are making money for people. Just position yourself and let people know that yes, you can create some of these things. Video editing right now, there are different things. People use AI tools like in video to be able to, create their videos, and catchy videos that can actually get their clients, get followers on the social media app. You understand? So the next one is to generate music with AI. Generating music today, if you're a music enthusiast and you are a music producer, people are using AI tools to generate music today. They use AI tools to be able to generate beats, rhymes, and different styles of music to their customers. If you're a musician, you're a producer, people are using this to create original beats, original rhymes, you understand, for their music. They create soundtracks for their music using AI generated music. The next AI side hustle that you can actually offer today is to offer AI website design services. Right now, there is a hard demand on visual, appealing, user-friendly websites. And this is one of the highly lucrative, profitable website side hustle that you can actually start today. By using Website Builder, you can create stunning sales funnels and landing pages for the entire website to your customers' specifications and requirements. And this is actually making money for people today. People are using AI tools to be able to build website, catchy ones, because people actually use their eyes, you understand, to enjoy some of this website. So if you know that you have website design skills, you can actually use your skills and make money by building website design, utilizing AI tools and technology. And the next one is to offer AI voiceover. Generating AI voiceover is one of the best side hustle that you can actually do right now, because there is need for that. A lot of people need these AI generated voices to be able to include in their videos and to create their content. And if you know how you can actually do this, is very, very lucrative and profitable. Best side hustle that you can actually start today. People use this to create content on social media, on TikTok, create on their YouTube, as well on Facebook. Record your voice, generate AI voiceover, and add it to an audio clip. Collect money for it, and people pay you money for that. People can tell you maybe this is the kind of voice that they want, and you can generate that voice with AI and be able to make money with that. And the next one is to sell digital content. Right now, digital content is one of the products that's actually making money, and you can actually use AI to create your digital content and sell them. You can also create images, create content, or even sell solutions through Google Sheets. And this is actually making money for people. You can integrate AI tools with ChatGPT and create and sell online courses, e-courses, tutorials to your customers or to your target audience, guys. This is actually making money for people, and you actually need to give it time for your business to grow, market, and promote. You can run ads, let people know that you can actually offer all of these services. It's actually making money for people, guys. This is where I am going to stop. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it, guys. See you next time.